Hello class, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter, Fun with Scratch Jr. So, what is Scratch Jr? This is a simple, fun-based or visual block-based programming language. In this language, you could learn to create interactive stories, games using simple coding. You will see there are so many colorful blocks on the screen when you will run the program. You can snap those blocks together to make character move, jump, run, walk, and even sing. So let's plug in the chapter. Scratch Jr. Starting Scratch Jr. Components of Scratch Jr. screen. Moving the sprite. Changing background. Let's just start the chapter.
ScratchJr. ScratchJr is a visual fun-based programming language. It enables the children to create their own interactive stories and games through simple coding. Let us learn to create animations and interactive stories with the help of ScratchJr. We can work on ScratchJr by snapping together programming blocks to make characters move, jump, dance and sing. We can also modify the characters, change backgrounds, and add voices and sounds. We can download the app followed by the link https://www.scratchjr.org. We can also download and run beta version of ScratchJr on the desktop computer by clicking on the link https://jfo8000.github.io ScratchJr desktop. In this version, the working of ScratchJr is the same, but we will not see the original Scratch cat in it. Starting ScratchJr. After downloading and installing the ScratchJr app from the internet, this is the first screen we see when we open the ScratchJr app. Step 1. Click the Home button. The home screen shows all of our saved ScratchJr projects, if any. Step 2. Click the plus sign to make a new project. The ScratchJr window appears on the screen as shown to make amazing animations, stories and games. Components of ScratchJr screen. Look at the different components of the ScratchJr screen. Background. Sprite list. Sprite. Stage. Block category. Code. Pages. Flag. Code area. Blocks palette. Sprite. It is a character that performs all the actions. Stage. It is the place where we see how sprite move and interact with others. Background. We can change different backgrounds using this feature. Sprite list. We can add more sprites in a project from this list. Flag. We can click on the green flag to start our program. Pages. We can use it to add new pages in the project. Code. It is also known as program. It is a collective instruction given to the sprite in the form of stack of blocks. Code area. It is a place where we make our programs by snapping blocks. Blocks palette. This area shows us all the blocks available for programming. Block category. This area lists the 6 categories of color-coded blocks: triggering, motion, looks, sounds, control, and end. Moving the sprite. Whenever we start ScratchJr, it starts with a new project containing the sprite. Use the motion blocks to make the sprite move. Follow the steps to move the sprite. Step 1. Click on motion block. Step 2. Select Move Right block and drag the black from the blocks palette into the code area. Step 3. Click on the Move Right block. The sprite moves in the direction of the arrow. Step 4. Click on the number 1. Number pad appears. Step 5. Click on number 5. Step 6. Click on the Move Right block again. The sprite moves according to the number and in the direction of the arrow. Changing background. By default, the background of the stage is white. We can change the background of the stage to make it look more attractive. Follow the steps to change the background. Step 1. Click on the background button. A screen appears with some backgrounds. Step 2. Click on the desired background to add. Step 3. Click on the check mark. New background is added to the stage. Throwback. ScratchJr is a visual fun-based programming language. We can work on ScratchJr by snapping together programming blocks to make characters move, jump, dance and sing. We can change the background of the stage to make it look more attractive. We can add more characters or sprite in the project. Click on the flag button to run the program.